Okay, does your Skewb currently look like this? Has it exploded on the table in front of you? Has a piece popped? Whichever the condition your Skewb is in, we are going to learn how to rebuild it. So what we want to do is start with the two white corners. These are corners, and these are centres. So starting with the two white corners, pick up your white centre, and we're just going to pop that piece in between the two corners, like so. Now they do only go in one way. You'll notice here we've got if I hold it up here, we've got a gap here. If I rotate it 90 degrees, the gap is below this wing. So it goes in this way. It goes in like this. It will only go in one way, so if it doesn't look right, then it's probably not right. Then what we want to do is hold it a little bit precariously in one hand, pick up our other piece. So here's the red one, the red centre, and we're just going to slide that one in as well. There we go. And we've made this sort of V shape. It's a little bit fiddly, but we've made this sort of V shape. We want to pick the corner piece which fits between the white, the red and the blue, which is this one. This piece just slots in like so. And then what we want is to move on to the blue side. So that one should just slot in like that, really easy. And then we've got this sort of dreidely shape thing going on, half a Skewb. What we want to do now is just rotate this top corner, just so that everything matches. We've got orange, green and yellow over here. We want to pick a colour, so let's go with orange. Let's get this bit all in, like so. Then we're going to go with a corner piece, so either this one or this one. I'm going to go with this one just because it's here. Let's pop that one in and just work our way around the cube. So now we're going to go with the green. It's a little bit looby, so my fingers are a bit slippery. And then we've got this, which is sort of two halves of it coming together. It looks quite cool. We're nearly there, we've nearly rebuilt it. All we want to do is pop the corners in. So there's the two corners and the last centre. It's going to be a little bit fiddly. It should go on quite easily depending on how tight your puzzle is or which Skewb you have. A lot of the older Skewbs are quite tight, but the newer ones, especially the maglev ones, they're quite loose. Just make sure you're putting it in the right way, and all we want to do is just tease it in. Don't force it. It will go in quite nicely, quite easily. There we go. And if you feel like you're forcing it and you're pushing a little bit too hard, you might have done it the wrong way. Obviously it will only go in one orientation. Just double check it works, do some moves on it, do some sledges. As long as it feels stable and it's not catching, then it is all rebuilt. It didn't take long, but thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, then just drop them in the comments below. Let us know how we can improve this video in the future. Maybe you are a real beginner. Did we go a little bit too fast? Could we be more clear, take some more time? Let us know, and hopefully we can, if there are any issues, do reach out to us, let us know. But thank you for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next one.